Hi dear scientists!
Hello!
How is your research going? This time we have another great update on what's new in SciNote.
Upon your request, we developed another set of features to improve your scientific research. So Sasha, tell us more.
So the biggest news is we have now joined forces with our partners from protocolsio and developed a new integration. So what does this mean? You can now import a protocol from protocolsio directly into SciNote, from where you can modify it, customize it, add notes to it, and whatever you want, and all these actions are traceable and safe. The second great news, you can now automatically generate a report in Word file. The third news, your attached files now come with a neat preview. And the fourth is the stylish one. You can now crop and adjust your SciNote avatar.
And last but not least, we are really happy to announce SciNote Academy. It's our new free course that will make you a more proficient ELN user. And plus, you will receive a certificate, which you can put it on your LinkedIn profile and brag among your colleagues. And where to enroll? It's very simple. Just go into your SciNote account and click on this pink icon.
All these features and many others come with SciNote premium plans.
Discuss them with our specialist and schedule a meeting on the link below.
Thanks for watching!
And stay tuned for more.
Bye.